If I could only use one effect for the rest of my life, it would be reverb. And today I'm looking at a really unique reverb plugin from Eventide called Temperance. What makes it special is that it's a musical reverb, and the easiest way to show you what that actually means is on something with absolutely no melody, like drums. Here are the drums with no effects. Nice. Now let's put Temperance on it, and I'm gonna choose a preset right off the bat, one from the percussions called Circular Minor. And now look at what happens. It kind of added a melody out of the reverb. And you can see we are in the sequence mode, so it's playing these chords right here. But of course we can adjust and tune everything that we want. So if we turn up the mix all the way up, you will only hear the musical reverb. This is what the reverb is actually adding. It essentially added these chords. And the knob that does all of this is the temper knob. And let me show you what happens if we turn the temper knob to the left. So when it's to the right, it is focusing on these notes, so they resonate. And you can do manual, so it will only focus on the notes you select. You can do the sequence, as we just did now, so you can choose chords that it will play and switch in between. Or you can do MIDI and play the input on your keyboard, and it will play the notes you are playing live. Right here you can see we've got a high pass filter and a low pass filter, so we can remove those, so we open up even more frequencies. And these two show what frequencies the reverb is focusing at. So let's adjust that and play around with that as well. That is quite amazing. And you can hear the reverb resonates whenever the drums hit, so it creates a nice rhythm to the drums as well. So every time the snare hits, you hear more of that musical reverb. Right off the bat, this is very unique. I don't think there's any other reverb that can do this. But there is many more ways to apply this reverb. Here I have a little Afro House track, sounds like this. And we have this very dry synth. So let's play around with Temperance and add some unique twist to the synth. What I want is to have it sort of detuned with the reverb. I'm gonna start with this preset, and let's set the scale. So I'm using a minor scale. So now it resonates in the scale that I'm using, which will go well with the rest of the track. But if I want it to sound more detuned, I can move the temper knob to the left. And then instead of using the notes in A minor scale, it will use the notes that are not in A minor scale. Now the synth sounds more detuned, which is exactly what I want to create this uneasy atmosphere. Let's adjust that. We can also switch in between early reverb, all, or late. Then we can also add some pre-delay to create sort of a delay effect. And what I really like is you can actually tie it to the session and synchronize it like this. And there is so many unique knobs to play around with. So let's try adjusting these ones. Now we've created sort of a metallic sound, so you can really go wild with this and create really unique sounds. Okay, so before and now. Now let's hear it with the whole track. Before it was just like this. And now it's like this. And of course there is tons of presets we can play around with. This is nice. Presets like these just show you how much you can actually do with reverb. You change the preset and suddenly you have a completely different sound. That's why I love reverb. Like this. With this lo-fi vibe. So cool. So far I've been using the Temperance Pro. They also have Temperance Lite, which again has those musical features, but doesn't have as many things to adjust. But I just used it lightly on this snap. So we have the kick and the snap. I made it so it rings out the C and the E note, which is a really basic use of this, but it does add another layer of ambience into the whole song. And if you want to grab the Pro version or the Lite version, links are below in the description. There is also a free demo, so you can try it out yourself to see if it is for you. I want to show you one more example with this guitar. It sounds like this. Very nice dry guitar take, so let's mess with it. So I am on the default preset and you can see the guitar is in the key of A sharp. So let's make it resonate on A sharp and let's see what that does right off the bat. And the beautiful thing is that it resonates with the rhythm of the guitar. So whenever the guitar is louder, it hits the chord. That's when the reverb resonates the most. Let's try the opposite. Somewhere in between. Let's go to sequence and let's actually add in the chords that the guitar is playing. So we just double click the chord. You can choose interval, chord, scale, mode. So I'm gonna go chord. The first one is A sharp major. then we have C minor, then we have D sharp major, and then A sharp major again. So now the reverb will play the same chords as the guitar. Let's hear how that sounds. And the reverb just added a whole new layer of musical notes to the guitar. Let me play this with the rest of the sounds just so we can get an idea, and then we can go through some presets and see what happens. Now let's see some of these presets. I want to keep this sequence, so we can just lock the note selection. And now if we change the preset, it will stay in the same chord progression that we set up. I'm glad they have that. This adds like a path to it, because we can also change the room. And this one is huge, so we essentially have a path with the guitar. And yeah, you can change the room to like sci-fi if we want to. And let's see. This could be nice on vocals as well. And I just want to show you some more presets. I remember one just completely changing the sound. Master Blaster. That's the one. So let's hear this. Okay, I wouldn't use this for this track specifically, but it's fun. You can turn your sound into lasers just by using reverb. Okay, so this is Temperance, an amazing reverb plugin by Eventide. If you want to check it out yourself, check out the links in the description below. And of course, you can try it out with a free demo, so you can see if you like it, but I'm sure you will. Anyways, that is it guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.